Next up, we are going to listen to a song from Pom Pom. Now, Pom Pom is a producer-songwriter, so she's working with artists in the trenches and the salt mines on a daily basis, right? You're doing, either basically as a songwriter, you're kind of doing whatever needs to be done, right? And as a producer. So we're going to hear a song that she wrote for the band OAR. Did you co-write it or produce it or both? Co-writer and co-producer on this song from OAR.
Nice round of applause. That's a sensational track.
I love the track. I love the ska and the reggae feel that's in it. And I'd love to talk a little bit about that feel after we hear from your side of it. So tell us, how does a song like that come to be? Did you work directly with the band? Did you pitch it to the band? Did you how did that happen?
So me and my co-producer and co-writer worked directly with Mark Roberge, who's the lead singer of OAR. And they had some like island reggae influences in their music in the past, and they really kind of wanted to lean into that for this project, to go for kind of a more modern sound, because they're more acoustic driven, I would say, their music. So they came in, Mark came in with that idea of wanting to take it to a more reggae, ska vibe. And I think it started with the acoustic guitar, just those chords, just on the upswing. And then we kind of built out the track with programmed drums. They're a live band, but they wanted more synthetic elements in their productions going forward. So we built out the track with acoustic guitar and the programmed drums, and then kind of added more guitar elements, some live drums on top of the programmed drums, and then a few other things to kind of give it the cross between them.
Kind of the set
the fill?
Is that like, did you record that, or is that like a sample draft?
I think it's a sample. Yeah, we chopped it up, but I think it's.
Let's hope it's up with the right field.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
And did you tell me about the lyric writing process? How does that work with a band? In this case, it's probably like the primary single member who's driving the band.
Yeah. So Mark does a lot of the lyric writing. We kind of focus on the melodies first, made sure melodically the structure all made sense, and then he put in, I would say, most of the lyrics himself, and then we kind of went in with him and kind of fine-tuned the lyrics in certain places and just made sure that it was cohesive and it all flowed well. Yeah.
So it's like a real collaboration.
For sure. Yeah, definitely.
Excellent. And then do you go back and forth? Did you write it in a single session, or how many sessions did it take?
It was a couple sessions. Yeah, definitely written and produced over the course of a couple sessions. Yeah.
And you work with Greg Wattenberg, right? So which is Arcade Music.
Yes.
And you guys have a nice studio in town. And,
yeah, it's awesome.
I'm jealous. Cool. Is there anything else you'd like to say about the song, about the evolution of the song?
There's also, that horn part there's also live horns as well, because they have a brass section in their band too, which makes them really dope to see live. You guys should all check them out.
What kind of a brass section do they have in the band?
They have saxophone player, trumpet player, I think trombonist as well on the road. So that lead was a mix between kind of like a synthetic drop, and then we layered it with the horns as well to kind of give it that OAR
really
jam band vibe.
The brass
awesome live.
Like
they're great live.
Totally fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.